Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the air filter on Audi A6 C6 2.7 TDI. The air filter is located right there. First we start by removing the bracket that holds the hose to the muffs. Next we remove these two screws to remove another air hose. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we can take the air filter box out. Next we remove the muff sensor from the air filter box. To remove the air filter from the air filter box, there is a screw just there that we need to remove that holds the air filter. And now we can remove the air filter box. Now we can put on the new air filter. First we put the O-ring on the air filter and we'll just lubricate it a little bit with grease and we can put the air filter on. Next we'll put the screw that holds the air filter to the air filter box. And now we can put on the muff sensor and assemble everything back in the reverse order. And that's it, we're done. Thank you for